Well, hey, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. Welcome back to the Chicken Box. Today, I'm doing something for you that is fun. And there's all different things that you can do. We're making a compound butter today. So all you need is some butter and then an idea. You can put lots of different fruits in here. You can go savory. Today, we're doing Thanksgiving butter. Now, you're going to want to do this ahead of time because this goes into the refrigerator. When we get done with it, I'll show you. So the first thing that we're going to need is some butter. I'm softening 1 stick of butter. I'm going to drop it down here in my bowl. I was waiting for Teresa to get everything going. I started zesting our orange. So I have the zest. Hey, baby. Hey, Betsy. I have the zest of 1 orange. How's Betsy? Betsy, what can I do for you, baby? You need me because I'm tall. Okay, I'll see you in 2 minutes. No rest for the weary, y'all. So the butter that I'm going to do today is for our Thanksgiving table. And Thanksgiving is orange zest and cranberries. These cranberries are chopped up super small. Make sure you soften this butter or you're going to have a tough time. And see, that's it, y'all. I have the butter, I have the cranberries, and I have the orange. I've done a lot of fruit butters for different steaks and things like that. It's always fun to play with. This is my favorite. It's so pretty. It looks like Thanksgiving. It's cool. You want to get this mixed up as best as we can. Now, if you're doing this for your family, y'all, I only did 1 stick of butter here today, but if you sure enough got your Thanksgiving table and everybody's coming, put you a pound of butter in here. Find you some deli paper. I'm gonna have to taste this. I'm gonna pull a little bit out. And what we want to do is roll this up. We're gonna shape it. Kind of like back into a stick of butter. Just use your hands. Roll this up. Just like this. And then I'm going to put it into the oven and put it in the oven. Put it in the refrigerator, and then when I need it, it's going to harden back up. So we'll take this and slice it just like a regular pat of butter. But first, they say the proof is in the pudding. We'll find out. Keep commentary to yourself over there, old lady.
We have Jelly Roll joining us.
She don't hardly eat nothing. My mouth is watering. You don't want to try it, back?
I don't like the biscuits.
It always tell me you. This is delicious. If you don't eat it, that leaves more for me. This is really good, y'all. Y'all make this for Thanksgiving, and it'll be one more item that you're thankful for. I'm Jamie Deen. This is good food. See y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.